I'm the next reporter for this topic, so I'm going to expound the introductions of communications within the company. So, we have effective internal communications, a company introduction. So, internal communications, the lifeblood of any successful company, it's how information flows between employees, departments, and managements, impacting everything from productivity and moral to innovations and overall success. These introductions will explore key aspects of effective internal communications within a company setting. So before we proceed to the main topic, I have here questions about why is internal communications is very important. So we will answer it first. Internal communication is very important because strong internal communications refers to a positive work environment. When employees feel informed, valued, and connected, they are more likely to be engaged, productive, and committed to the company's goals. Conversely, poor communications can lead to misunderstanding, decreased morale, and ultimately decreased profitability. We have some key elements of effective internal communications. The first is clarity and transparency. The second is open communication channels. The next one is two-way communications. The third one is regular and consistent communications. So the third one is targeted communications. The next is feedback mechanisms. That's all.